guys, it's Julie here, and today I am doing a fast food chicken tender taste test. We went to 5 fast food places and grabbed their tenders, amongst other things. No, I didn't harass any of the employees there, but I could have. And I have the tenders in front of me, and I'm gonna taste them. Now, of course, I can't taste them blindly because they have really distinct textures, so I'm just gonna look at them, and then I'm gonna eat them, and then I'm gonna tell you which one I like best. Where did we get our tenders from, you're asking? We have tenders from Popeyes, Wendys, KFC, A&W, because they got their like chubby chicken selection, and then Burger King does not have tenders, but they have chicken fries, question mark. So we got some of those. So let's just give them a try. First up, boom, ba boom, boom. I'm gonna start with Popeyes. Lighter in color, first thing to note. Could be a good thing. We're gonna factor in the fact that these are a little bit older because it took some time to gather all of them, to set up the video, so you're not hearing the crunch that one would normally hear. That being said, this is a thick tender. It's girthy, if you will. Real full mouth feel. Just stop me anytime I say something inappropriate, okay? I like the breading. I think it's good. I was hoping it would have like more like Popeyes-y spices, but we wanted to go pretty standard tendy. That's short form for tender, I just realized. I like it. It's fine. It's kind of plain. I was kind of expecting a little more wah-wah-wee-wah, you know? But man, gosh, that's good chicken they have in there. We got a sauce with each of them. I want to get that tender, that girthy tender all nice and saucy, if you know what I mean. I love it. Oh, gotta love that blackened ranch, man. Whew. Okay, we have a good baseline, you guys. Let's move on over. Boom, we are sitting at a Wendy's. Now, they don't promise you good chicken. They promise you a great junior bacon cheeseburger, JBC for short. So, I'm going in not really sure what this is gonna offer me. Darker in color, it looks like a standard tender. Interesting. This one is still crispy. Factor that in. Wow, lots of fun spices in there. Depth of flavor, little salty, which I don't mind. I'm going to a fast food place. I'm not watching my diet. Put all the sodium you've got on it. Ooh, you guys, the chicken is great. The chicken is moist. For some reason, I feel like it might not be the best quality chicken. Don't know why. I think because maybe it's a little rubbery. Because the Popeyes chicken like kind of still strings apart like real chicken, whereas this one is kind of like I feel like this one's got air bubbles from being pumped out of a machine. Irregardless. Thank you, I know that's not a word, internet, but I like using it. I like this one better. I like the breading. I love the fact that it's still crispy. Love the color. I'm more partial to the darker brown in my tender. That's just a little about me. And yeah, I think it's a good size too, not too girthy. I've got a little creamy sriracha. Let the innuendos continue. This is our Wendy's sauce here. Oh wow. Wendy's, I would like to speak to your manager. Oh, spicy. Because, gosh, you are making some good tenders. Wendy knows her way around a tender. All right, next up is KFC. Another location, establishment that claims that chicken is their main priority. Expectations are through the roof. Okay. All the herbs and spices. Iconic KFC herbs and spices. Still crunchy, smaller, considerably thinner girth on this tender. If you are a fan of the KFC spiced batter breading that they use, this is gonna be right up your alley. For me, I do not actually like the breading on their chicken. I find it's a little oily, and I'm not a huge fan of that spice mix, but that's just me. So in spite of this being still crunchy, great color, it is a little thin. The chicken is, because it's thin, the chicken is dry on the inside. It doesn't have the moistness that the other ones had. But it looks the best. So points for aesthetic, I'd say. You know, if I'm shooting a commercial, I wanna shoot the KFC chicken tenders. But do I want to eat them? Great question, Julie. Not really. All right, KFC's chicken tenders came with a little bit of honey mustard. Let's dibby dab in that. Oh, lovely. Dijon, whole grain mustard, honey. I'm gonna get a little bit of my Wendy's guy in there. Yeah. Oh, far superior. Far superior. I'm as surprised as you are. I'm not blowing smoke up your ass here. I'm giving you my honest review. I am floored on this end of the camera. Next up, we have A&W. Now I know for a lot of you watching, you will not have an A&W because it's mainly a Canadian establishment, but if you are ever in Canada, they have incredible burgers. I'm such a huge fan. I am trying to be unbiased in this though. And I've not had many of their chicken options because I know they have burgers and they actually have like buckets of chicken you can get. I've never had their tenders. So I'm gonna be honest, this looks this didn't look good. The shape of it is all wrong in terms of tender shape. And the breading is lackluster. So on basic visual analysis alone, I'm saying this is a no-brainer. Wow, that's a bummer. I'm not ordering that again. But we keep an open mind. Do you know the phrase, never judge a book by its cover? I think in this instance you probably can. That's not really real chicken. That is definitely chicken nugget chicken where it's like the pulp of stuff that came off of bones and got made into this shape. That's a bummer because I love A&W. Keep doing burgers. You guys do an excellent job. This is not, this is not when you've got like real freaking chicken all up in here. You can't be coming out with tenders that look like this. You just can't. Don't make them at all, you know? Go full send or don't send them at all. That's what I always say. I started saying that like a couple weeks ago, but it's gonna stick. And it didn't even come with sauce. They do have sauce. We kind of just forgot it. But I'll go in the blackened ranch. I mean, it's only better because I love blackened ranch. I'm not gonna eat the rest of this, you guys. This last one is Burger King's chicken fries. So we're gonna judge this a little bit differently. We're not going based on girthiness and look, because of course, they're trying to replicate fries. Do I fault them for trying to attempt that? Yeah, I think it's a really dumb idea, but that's not going in the judgment of this. We are just gonna judge solely on chicken inside and exterior, not on look. Because I think this is dumb. This is one of the dumbest things I've ever seen. Yeah, confirmed. This is so dumb. It's tube chicken again. This is not, nobody took a chicken breast and made it this shape. This is whatever came off the bones, whatever little bits of skin were left over, got put in a tube, got squeezed out, made into a fry shape. I don't know what batter that is. This is a no from me, dog. Look, I maybe wouldn't be so cruel had I have not had some really outstanding tenders earlier. But if you wanted to bring in the girthiness factor, like, that's a joke. You can't be coming to me with something that looks like that and expecting me to be eager to put it in my mouth. Do you know what I mean? Oh, it never ends. Wow. I'm not putting that in sauce. It's a waste of sauce. I'm gonna head back over to a little bit of Wendy's action. I'm gonna get me some creamy sriracha. You guys, this has been a really fun video for me. What are your favorite chicken tenders? What locations are they from? I'm so curious, I wanna know. Sorry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I will see you next time.